Hi guys, I'm Tim. I'm with Bud here, and we're gonna go on an adventure of some sort.
All right, guys, we're here in Provo on the Provo River Trail. It's a nice little concrete type path. It's fantastic. You've got river off to the side. It's really quite a calming hike. I wouldn't exactly call it a hike though, it's more of a walk. There's not really much ups and downs or anything or stuff like that. But yeah, it's just so calming, and I hear there's actually a waterfall or two in it.
Yeah, I'm excited to see the waterfall. That's gonna be fun.
Found a bridge,
We did.
and this is not the bridge. This is a bench.
No, this is a bench.
This is a bench.
Sorry, wrong bridge.
We found the waterfall, guys.
Found it.
Woo! Oh, that's convenient. And so, yeah. So it looks like this is the end of the trail, so we're gonna head back and go back on the other side of the trail and see how that part goes. So this is like, I guess, the start or something? I don't know. Starts at a waterfall. I don't know how it could get better than that. We'll figure that out. Found this awesome log. But yeah, I think we will continue onward. Look, it's a duck. Guys, look at the duck. We found a duck. It's a duck. Awesome. Look, we found more ducks. Dude, animal life. Hey duck, come back. Bye. Bye, Steve. Have fun, Billy. I like it. We were on the trail. We found this awesome artwork, Provo artwork, man.
Super gnarly mural, bro.
Murals. Yeah.
Look, it's a duck.
Does it? It's a duck. Cool. Does it? Okay. And, oh, this is cool. Oh man. Oh, that's a nice airflow too. Yes. Check out this bird too, dude. Yeah. Got some art on that side. Got some art on that side. It's like super legit and stuff, man. Awesome. Now you get over here, and that's your view. We have another waterfall. I don't know what it is, but that looks cool.
It's so cool.
Way cool. I kind of want to go up in it.
So cool to the max.
If you guys can see the Y in the background, but we were just up there and oh man, views were awesome. That tree makes a bench. Look at this. We have the balcony can-a-ba-doo thing. At the canopy of sorts, it's a pavilion. That's what it is. Found a pavilion. Whoa, that's lit. Don't know if you guys can see it, but over here, there's a little fire pit, and oh gosh, that is so sweet. I'm gonna try and zoom in on that. Look at that, there's a fire pit and chairs. That's a sweet backyard. Oh gosh, trying not to slip. This is a pretty sweet spot. And then do a really slow pan as well. That's cool. All right, guys, this. Okay. Okay, that is it. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, travel free, guys.